Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Coinbase wallet to Uniswap. First, open your Coinbase wallet app on your phone. Next, find the D-app browser, which looks like 4 squares, usually at the bottom. Then, type uniswap.org into the search bar and hit enter. This will take you directly to the Uniswap exchange interface, ready for the next steps. It's a straightforward process to get started with decentralized trading. Once on the Uniswap site, look for the Connect Wallet button, typically in the top right corner. Tap this button and a list of compatible wallets will appear. Choose Coinbase Wallet from this selection. Your Coinbase Wallet app will then prompt you to confirm the connection. Simply approve this request and your wallet will be securely linked to Uniswap, allowing you to interact with the platform. With your wallet connected, you can now begin trading. Use the drop-down menus to select the tokens you want to swap, for example, Ethereum for a specific altcoin. Enter the amount you wish to trade, and Uniswap will display the estimated output. Always review the transaction details carefully, including any gas fees, before confirming the swap within your Coinbase wallet. This ensures a smooth and secure transaction. After you've finished trading, it's a good practice to disconnect your Coinbase wallet from Uniswap for security. Look for the disconnect option, usually where the Connect Wallet button was. Always double-check the Uniswap URL to avoid phishing scams. Ensure it's uniswap.org. And hey, staying hydrated is key, especially when navigating the crypto world. Check out the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Keeping your assets safe and yourself refreshed is always a smart move.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.